Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a form limiter. This powerful add-on for Google Forms helps you manage your responses with ease. It's perfect for situations where you need to control the number of submissions or the time frame for accepting entries. Imagine setting up a registration form for an event with only 50 available spots or a quiz that must close by a specific date and time. Form Limiter makes these tasks straightforward and efficient. Getting started with Form Limiter is quite simple. First, open the Google form you wish to manage. In the top right corner, click on the 3 vertical dots, which will reveal a menu. From there, select Add-ons to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Form Limiter and click to install the add-on. You'll need to grant a few permissions, and once that's done, it will be ready to use within your form. Once installed, you can access Form Limiter by clicking the puzzle piece icon, which represents your add-ons. Select Form Limiter and then Set Limit. Here, you'll find several options to control your form. You can specify a precise date and time for the form to stop accepting responses, or you can set a maximum number of submissions, for example, 100 responses. There's even an advanced option to limit based on a specific value in a linked spreadsheet. A great feature of Form Limiter is the ability to customize the message displayed when your form closes. Instead of a generic message, you can write something specific, like registration is now full or this survey has concluded. Additionally, you can set up email notifications to receive an alert when your form automatically closes due to reaching its set limit. This keeps you informed without constant manual checking. Remember to save your settings to ensure your limits are applied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.